In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bjorgum EMA in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the indicator on your chart and know exactly where to go if you want to tweak the settings to match your trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame works here, so just pick the chart you normally use. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is where all the built-in and community indicators live. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists. Move your cursor to that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now type Bjorgum EMA into the search bar exactly as it's spelled. As you type, TradingView will start showing results that match. Give it a second to load, then look through the results until you see the Bjorgum EMA indicator appear. When you see it, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView automatically adds it to your active chart, so you should see new lines or visuals appear right on the price action. With the indicator now on your chart, the next step is to adjust it so it works the way you prefer. On your chart, hover your mouse over the Bjorgum EMA label, usually shown at the top left near the indicator name or in the list of active indicators. Next to its name, you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. That gear icon is the Settings button. Click on the Settings icon to open the configuration panel for Bjorgum EMA. Inside the settings, you can change things like the length of the moving averages, the colors, line thickness, and any other options the script provides. Take a moment to explore these tabs. If you are newer to TradingView, a simple approach is to start with the default settings, then make small changes and watch how they affect your chart. When you're happy with the look and behavior of the indicator, click OK or close the settings window to save your changes. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along exactly as shown, you can use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll get access to all the tools and layouts that make using indicators like Bjorgum EMA smoother and more professional. And that's it. You've added Bjorgum EMA to your TradingView Pro chart, open the settings, and you're ready to customize it to fit your trading